Welcome back to my lovely audience. Hope all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Let us discuss today the importance of communication skill. Today, I would like to talk about a skill that is essential for personal, academic, and professional success: communication skill. Communication skill refers to the ability to express ideas clearly, listen effectively, and understand others. They are not limited to speaking or writing, they also include body language, tone of voice, and active listening. In almost every aspect of life, effective communication is crucial, whether it is in education, the workplace, or personal relationship. One of the primary benefits of strong communication skills is building relationships. Individuals who can communicate clearly are able to express their thoughts, resolve conflicts, and build trust with others. Good communication fosters collaboration, teamwork, and